Hey guys, Luke Parker here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make quick money in one day online as a beginner. Now, we're not talking about $5 or even $10. We want to be making at least a couple $100s for our time and efforts. So if you like videos just like this, make sure you smash that like button so I know to make more videos just like this one. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to share with you my #1 recommendation for people who are just getting started with making money online. So without any further ado, let's get into this. Now, if we take a look at my screen, we're going to see a website here called swagbucks.com. Now, I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with this website, but don't worry, we're not going to be using this. But this is unfortunately how most people make money online today. They're doing these sites where they're taking surveys and they're earning $1, $2, or $3. And we're not going to be doing that because that's a huge waste of time. And we're going to be using a technique actually called affiliate marketing. Now, for those who are not familiar with affiliate marketing, basically what affiliate marketing is you are promoting someone else's product, whether that's an individual or a company. And if someone buys the product that you recommend, you get a cut of the sale of that product, or you get a commission. So it's a really great way to promote higher ticket products and earn a substantial amount of money in a short period of time. So that's what we want to focus on. So I'm going to take you over to a website called clickbank.com. Now, clickbank.com is basically an online marketplace where you can sell and promote digital products. Now, they cover every category you can imagine, everything from cooking to computers to art and entertainment, but we're going to focus on 3 niches, and those niches are the health, wealth, and relationship niche. And the reason for that is because those are the most profitable niches. The people who are in those categories, they're looking for a product to solve a big problem, and usually there's some urgency behind that, so they're willing to pay more money for those kind of products. So we're going to focus on that niche, and specifically we're going to focus on the wealth niche, or the how to make money online niche. So if you take a look here at my screen, I'm going to go ahead and sort these programs by gravity. And what a gravity score is, what you can see here at just the bottom here, we're going to take a look at the perpetual income 365 system. There's a gravity score at the bottom that says 132.49. So basically, this is just an algorithm that ClickBank uses that shows kind of how well this program is performing with their affiliates. So it basically shows that this program is selling well with their affiliates. Affiliates are selling the program and they're making commissions. So it doesn't say anything specific about like how many affiliates are making sales or anything like that. Just know that the higher the score, the better. So we want to focus on programs that have high gravity scores. So we're going to look at the perpetual income 365 system. I can see here that the gravity score is high, which means that this is converting. People are making sales, they're earning commissions. That's great. We want to focus on that. And then we want to take a look at the average dollar per conversion, which is $253.80, which is great. That's kind of in our ballpark of what we want to be making with affiliate marketing. So we can make a couple $100s with one sale. You also want to take a look at the reoccurring rebill amount. Now that's $42.82. And basically what that is they have a product in their program that is billed every month. So it's like a subscription similar to a Netflix. So every time they pay for that monthly bill, you get a cut of that commission. So that means that you're getting a commission every single month. It's reoccurring. And as long as they're paying their bill, as long as they're paying for that, you're going to be earning a commission from that. So any kind of reoccurring commission is great. Also, you want to take a look at the initial conversion value. You can see here that's only $16.59. Basically what that is it's a front-end, low-cost product that's going to kind of introduce people into the system or the product that they're buying. So it's gonna be of high value, but it's not going to be their higher tier, more in-depth product. So they'll buy that product and then they'll be presented with other products or upsells. And with those upsells, that's where you can earn the higher commissions with the higher tier products. So don't pay too much attention about that initial conversion value. That's just a front end offer that people are going to buy just to kind of get into the product and find out more about it. So this is a great product. So once you find a product that you like, you want to click into any kind of material they have for affiliates or sales pages, anything like that. You want to see kind of what are they offering to the affiliates to help sell the product, because that's really their job. Their job is to give you promotional material to help sell their product, and they're supposed to have sales pages. So if you click into their information here, you can see kind of a little bit about their system. What's it about? You can go through their sales page. You can see, you can see referrals, you can see testimonials, you can see that they paid over 1.2 million to affiliates in the last 7 months, which is good. And you can see some of their partner testimonials. They've done launches and contest winnings. So this is obviously a system that's doing well, and a lot of affiliates are promoting this offer. So this is a good one. And ideally, if you can, I recommend you actually going through the course yourself so you know exactly what it is, because you never want to promote a product that's going to be scammy or it's going to be low value. You don't want people to feel like they're being ripped off. You want to actually add value to your customers' lives. And really the only way to know that is to go through the program and experience it yourself. You want to be able to tell people your legitimate testimonial of what you experienced while going through this program. That's what I always do when I promote an offer. I always buy it myself. So if you can, I recommend you doing that. If not, just make sure that you research it as much as you can before you promote it. So once you find that product, you want to click on the promote button down here. Once you click the promote button, it's going to generate a hop link for you or an affiliate link, which you can then copy. And then we're just going to go over to Facebook, because with this system, it's ideal if you have an audience. But if you don't have an audience, you can use basically what everyone has, which is a Facebook page. So now on Facebook, what we want to do is we want to hop over to Bitly, and we want to take our affiliate link and we want to shorten it. Now, the reason for that is we want to have our URL. We don't want to have this big, long, complex URL. We want it to be shortened. And you can even brand your URL. And the reason we want to do this is that shortened branded URLs have a click-through rate that's 39% higher than a long URL. All right, so it's really going to dramatically increase the amount of people who are going to be clicking on your link. So we want to shorten the link, and we're just going to use bit.ly.com here to shorten this link. There's other sites you can use as well. So once you create a post, you can come in here and post that link and then write a testimonial about your experience with the program. You can say something like, hey guys, I just went through this program. If you're interested in making money online, I highly recommend it. I went through it and I made $500 in one day. Something short and sweet, and that's going to really tell them about your experience and intrigue them into wanting to at least learn more about the product and hopefully buy it. So if they click on that bit.ly link that we created and they buy the product, you're going to earn a cut of that sale. You're going to earn that commission. So that's going to be probably a couple $100 depending on what they buy through the back end. So it could be higher than that as well, but you're going to make at least a couple $100. So that's really the best way to get started and to quickly make a couple $100 online with affiliate marketing. Now, because you stayed to the end of this video, I'm going to show you the #1 program that I recommend to affiliates who are just getting started. So we're going to go back into ClickBank here, and I'm going to show you the 12-minute affiliate system. Now, with this system, it's basically a product that shows you how to start making money with affiliate marketing. It's a very popular product. A lot of people are promoting it. And you can see here with the gravity score, it's almost about 148. That's really good. That means that affiliates are actually promoting this offer and making sales. and it has a pretty good reoccurring billing amount of about $24. So this ticks all the boxes that we want to start promoting a product. And if you look at some of their promotional material, you can see kind of what this product is and what it offers. You can see here that it's very professional. It's very well thought out. They're using very good copywriting strategies. You can see here some of the testimonials. This is Devin Brown. This is the guy who created the system. He's very well known. And you want to go through this because you can see kind of what the product is about, what it offers, and what someone who's going to potentially buy this product is going to see. They also offer a page for affiliates that's going to show you kind of what you can expect with the product. You can see some of the products that they offer here with their lower end offer at only $9.95, and then it goes up from there. Some of their reoccurring billing product, which is $67, $47, $97 a month. And then their higher tier products, which are $397 and $797. So you can see here with the 50% commission, if you're selling those higher tier products at $797, you're gonna be earning about a $400 commission, which is really good. So this is a great product to get started with in affiliate marketing. I definitely recommend that you buy it, go through it yourself. You'll learn more about affiliate marketing, kind of lay a foundation for it, and then you can start promoting it with your own testimonial, which will be really powerful for helping people to be interested in the product and actually want to buy it and try it out themselves. So I definitely recommend trying out the 12-minute affiliate system, guys. I'm going to leave a link to that in the description below for you to get started. So definitely make sure you check that out. And if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button so I'll know to make more videos just like this. And I will definitely see you in the next video.